Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make original mochi. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 100 grams of sweet glutinous rice flour, 50 grams of sugar, and 180 milliliters of water. You'll also need cornstarch for dusting, a microwave-safe bowl, and a sturdy spatula. Don't forget your favorite fillings, like sweet red bean paste or fresh strawberries, to make your mochi truly special and delicious. Now, let's get cooking. In your microwave-safe bowl, combine 100 grams of glutinous rice flour with 50 grams of sugar. Gradually whisk in 180 milliliters of water until the mixture is completely smooth. Cover the bowl loosely with plastic wrap and microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir the mixture thoroughly, then repeat this microwaving and stirring process 2 to 3 more times until the dough becomes thick, glossy, and translucent. With your mochi dough cooked, it's time to shape. Generously dust your clean work surface with cornstarch. This is crucial to prevent sticking. Carefully transfer the warm, sticky mochi dough onto the prepared surface. Using a bench scraper or knife, divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 30 grams. Flatten each piece into a small, thin circle, then place your desired filling, like a spoonful of red bean paste, right in the center. Almost there. Now, carefully gather the edges of the mochi dough and fold them up and over your filling, pinching the seams together firmly to completely seal it. Gently roll the mochi between your palms to create a smooth, round shape. Give each finished mochi a final light dusting of cornstarch to keep them from sticking together. Serve your delicious, homemade mochi immediately to enjoy their wonderfully soft and chewy texture. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.